Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to install Anaconda in our system. So to install that, first we have to download Anaconda Navigator. And to download that Anaconda Navigator, we have to go to Google and click here Anaconda download. It will open something like this link. Basically, we are installing this for running small application or learning Python. Okay, so first you have to go to Google and or write something like download Anaconda for Windows or whatever. Like if you have a Mac, then just type it there. Anaconda download. Write it down. Type it like this and press enter. After that, you will get this type of information or links. So this is anaconda.com is an official website. Go to downloads. Okay, now click here free downloads. Now you will get this type of windows, and after getting this window just click here for a download for Windows. Okay, now it will start downloading the application. Okay, it's a 1 GB software. I already have downloaded in my system, so I'll go to the my downloads folder and search here Anaconda. So it is already there, Anaconda. I have downloaded. Now I'll install. How I will install? Just double click it there and it will open a setup window. Just click on next, agree, and just me and next. So it will store the Anaconda Navigator into in your system. Let me see. You have it will ask for a destination folder. So this is yeah. So if it is not installed in your system, then you can just change like if it is not installed, because in my system it is already installed, so that is why it is giving something like this. So if there is no if Anaconda is not installed in your system, then it will not give any such type of things, and it will just do next and it will install Anaconda Navigator. Okay, now how to search, like if I want to start Anaconda, then click here and search Anaconda Anaconda Navigator, and it will take some time to start because it's a large file. So it will start something like this, and meanwhile uh, it is just starting. Meanwhile, I'll explain why we are doing this. Actually, we are doing this to run the Python programs. So Jupyter Notebook is a very simple cell programming environment where we can run our application or our program. So initially, whenever it will open, it will look something like this. So you can see the differences here. This is a data spell and this is Anaconda Notebook. Now you can see here it is showing install here and it is showing launch here. It means this software or data spell, because Anaconda Navigator is a framework. In this framework there are multiple software. It supports multiple software, multiple programs. So data spell is not installed, so that is why it is showing here install button. But if something is already installed, then it will show something like a launch. So I have to start Jupyter Notebook. So these all will be supported by this Anaconda Navigator. So see, I already have installed this Jupyter Notebook, so that is why I am able to see here a launch button. Okay, so just click on the launch button. So after clicking on launch button, you will get a it will open a window something like this. Okay, now so by this way you can start you can install the software and you can start the Anaconda or Jupyter Notebook. After installation, we need to create a file where we will run our program. Okay, now here is an option, here is a button, new. You have to click on new and click on Python. So it will create a page for you. See, it will create a Jupyter Notebook page. It will create a Jupyter Notebook page for your you. Now we'll try to just, for example, x equals to 10, y equals to 20, z equals to x plus y, and I will display z. Now you can see I have declared one variable here to one variable here, and I'm adding both variable, putting the value into z, and that's where I'm displaying z. So by this way we can install Anaconda Navigator and Jupyter Notebook, and we can run our program. To run the program, we need to enter shift plus enter. We need to press shift plus enter, or here is a button, run. If I want to add new cell, these are the cell, this is also a cell, this is also a cell. If I want to add new cell, then click on plus button, insert button, it will increase the cells. If you want to delete any cells, then go to the cell and click here, cut the cell. Okay, so by this way it will be. Now here is a notebook title, just write something so that you can remember. Okay, now rename. So it is, after completing whatever the programming you completing, you just click on here, click on save, so that it will save your file. So by this way we can install Anaconda Navigator, Jupyter Notebook, and we can run a simple application in Jupyter Notebook, and we can add cell, we can cut the cell, and we can run the cell, and we can save. So this much I have covered in this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, you can like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.